dream. So I raise my hand and fold like this. I bow my head and pray. Lord, thank you for this day. Thank you for bringing us safe to our school. Sorry for all the sins that we made, hoping that we can have a new learnings after this discussion. Thank you, Lord. Amen. Okay, good morning, everyone. So now we're going to have our checking of attendance. So everyone is present in this class. Okay, very good. No one is absent. So in our school, we have our classroom rules. So first, our classroom is be kind. Use kind words and action toward. Use kind words and action towards others. So dapat mag-kind tayo to one another. Bawal ang mag-pasaway at bawal ang mag-away sa kanyang kaklase. Then, respect your classmates. Treat your classmates, teacher, and school property politely and kindly. Dapat maging mabait tayo sa isa't isa. Listen carefully. Pay attention when someone is taking or giving instruction. Kagaya ko, ngayon nagbibigay ako ng instruction sa inyo, dapat makinig kayo. And lastly, raise your hand before speaking. Wait for your turn to talk by raising our hand first. So, if may gustong magtanong kung hindi naintindihan yung discussion ni teacher, dapat magtaas ang kamay at dapat huwag maingay. Okay? So, now, do you remember our last topic? So, our last topic is about, it is about respiratory system. So, before we proceed to our topic, we have our games. So, ito ay tinatawag na Fix Me. So I'm the teacher. I will flash scrambled words in our video screen, and then you guys, my student, will guess what word is this. So, are you ready? So, the first word is tama. It is our kidney. It is the word kidney. Then the second one, correct. It is uterus. And the last one is tama. It is urine. So, do you have any clue about our topic? But before we proceed, we have our objectives. So, this is our objective. At the end of this chapter, the student should be able to identify the structure and function of the urinary system, including the kidneys, ureters, bladder, and urethra. Accurately model or diagram the flow of urine through the urinary system and express appreciation for the importance of maintaining a healthy urinary system. So, at the end of this class, the students should be able to be identified the structure of the urinary system, including our kidneys, the ureters, bladder, and urethra. Also, the flow of urine through the urinary system, and also to know and appreciate the importance of maintaining the healthy urinary system. Before we proceed to our topic, we have another games. It's called Show Your Picture. The first picture is, you should have to familiarize. The second one is, okay, do you know what the picture is all about? So the picture is a part of our urinary system. So the first picture is the urethra. So the tube na ara sa kilid, that's the thing that we call urethra. Then the second one is our kidney. Ito yung kidney natin. What is the purpose of this in our body? So the purpose of this in our body is what we're going to discuss. And why we need to keep it healthy is also what we're going to discuss. So you have to listen and pay attention to our discussion. Now this is our topic. Our topic is about what is urinary system. Does anyone familiar what is urinary system? Meron bang nakakaalam kung ano ang urinary system? Okay, so move on. The urinary system includes your kidney, urethras, bladder, and urethra. The system filters your blood, removing waste and excess water. These waste become pee. The most common urinary issue are bladder infection and the urinary tract infection or tinatawag natin UTI. The urinary system is divided into two parts. The upper urinary system includes the kidney and urethras. The lower urinary systems include the bladder, and urethra. The kidneys remove waste and extra fluid from the blood to make urine. The urine flows from the kidney through the urethra to the bladder. The kidney filter blood to make urine, which travels through the urethras to the bladder where it is stored. Finally, the urethra expels the urine from the body during urination. The urinary system include the kidney, urethras, bladder, and urethra. So that's we're going to discuss by our another teacher. Then the blood will filter and going to remove the waste. Then excess water. Then become a pee. So ang pee ang tinatawag ang ating ihi. So ang blood natin filter out na siya by the system na kidney. Then magiging waste din siya na tinatawag yung mga dumi na natin. Then magiging ihi na siya natin. So ang urinary system siya sa two parts. Ang upper urinary system ang nakabilog kidney and urethra. Then sa lower urinary naman nabilog ang bladder and urethra. So the kidney remove the waste other fluid na halis sa atong bladder ang atong tubo mahimo nga urine. Ang urine naman mag-flow na siya sa atong kidney pakadto sa urethra kag sa bladder. Then finally the urethra is filtered to urine from the body during digestion. Then mag-take na siya. The next one is we have the 7 main functions of our urinary system. So, as we said kanina, the urinary system removes the waste, toxins, regulate water balance, control blood pressure, balance electrolytes, maintain acid-base balance, help produce red blood cells, activate vitamin D. Then these functions are primarily carried by the kidneys, which filter the glands to produce urine that is stored in our bladder and eliminated from our body. So, ang urinary system remove siya sa mga waste sa aton lawas, then nag-regulate din siya sa aton water balance, control sa mga pressure. So, So the kidney filter waste products such as urea and creatinine and excess substance from the blood. So, ang first na function sa ating urinary system is ang pag-remove some waste, scab, toxin. So, ang waste or toxin tawag ang mga higo sa ating nga lawas. Pinakuha na siya sa kidney filter waste products, sa urea, creatinine excess, nga substances na halin sa ating nga blood. Then the second one is regulate of water balance. Para ma-maintain natin ang proper hydration and blood pressure. Kakontrol na yapon siya sa ating nga blood pressure. Ang kidney nag-release siya sa hormones like renin na mag-regulate sa ating nga blood pressure. Then electrolytes balance. Ga-maintain siya sa ating nga electrolytes balance parehas ang sodium, potassium, calcium nga crucial gid nga bodily function sa aton nga lawas. Then acid-base pH or balance. Amo ni siya atong kokantagina nga commonly issue siya kay isa gyud ka function sa aton urinary system ang pag-balance sa aton nga acid. Then produce red blood cells or red blood cells production. So, produce siya sa hormone and through protein nag-stimulate sa atong bone marrow kaya produce sa red blood cells. Then, vitamin D activation. So, gapon halin or produce gapon siya sa vitamin D. So, ano na ang second function sa atong urinary system.
Sir, good morning everyone. This is my demo presentation. My topic is all about how does the urinary system filter my blood. Number 1, your blood enters each kidney through lots of little arteries. Ang aton daw nga dugo nagasulod sa bawat isa ka kidney paagi sa damo nga gagmay nga ugat. Number 2, your kidneys filter your blood, separating toxins from nutrients. Ang aton nga kidney kasala sang dugo tapos i-separate ang mga higko kag ang mga toxins nga halin sang nutrients. Number 3, vitamins, minerals, nutrients, and proteins return back to your bloodstream. Ang vitamin, mineral, nutrients, kag protein is amo ni siya ang nagabalik sa aton dugo. Number 4, waste product and pee move from your kidneys through your ureters and to your blood and to your bladder. Ang mga higko ihi ngalin sa aton kidney nagaagi siya sa ureters palakat sa bladders. Number 5. Your bladder stores your pee until you use the toilet. Ang aton bladder amo ni ang gatipon sa aton ihi hasta makapangihi ta. Pee leaves your body through your urethra. Ang ihi naman ay nagagawa sa aton lawas paagi sa urethra. What are the organs of the urinary system? The kidneys, ureters, bladders, and urethra make up the urinary system. The kidney ang kidney ay like duha ni siya kabin nga ang nga organ ang nagasala sang dugo kag ang nagakuha sang mahigko kag ang sobra nga tubig sa aton nga lawas. Ang ureters naman tung duha ni siya katubo nga nagadala sa aton nga ihi halin sa kidney palakat sa bladder. Ang bladder naman amo ni siya ang nagatipon sa aton ihi hasta nga makapangihi ta. Ang urethra naman amo ni tubo nga kung diin gagawa sang ihi ta halin sa bladder palakat sa gawa sang imo nga lawas.
Our next topic is going to present by our another teacher.
Next is, what are the organs of the urinary system? The kidneys, ureters, bladder, and urethra make up the urinary system. They all work together to filter, store, and remove liquid waste from the body. All of the organs in your urinary system are in your abdominal and pelvic region. So, sa ating katawan is mayroon tayong apat na organ na tinatawag natin yung kidney, ureters, bladder, and urethra. So, ang urinary system is binubuo ng organs sa ating katawan na nagtutulungan upang linisin at sa pamamagitan ng pag-ihi. Ang urinary system is tinatawag ito or mahalaga ito dahil tumutulong ito na linisin ang dugo at alisin ang dumi sa ating katawan sa pamamagitan ng ating pag-ihi. So, ang kidneys, at first is ang kidneys. So, ang kidneys is para itong makina na naglilinis ng dugo at ginagawa na ihi. At ang kidneys is halos kasilaki ng ating dugo. So, ang kidneys ay palagi silang nagtatrabaho upang salain ang dugo at alisin ang sobrang tubig or sa pamagitan ng pag-ihi. Second is, so ang kidneys, constantly filter your blood and liquid with your body, then eliminates. You have two kidneys. So may dalawa tayong kidneys. Tapos nag-carry ng dugo mula sa ating kidneys papuntang bladder. At ang each ureter is nagkakaroon ito ng 9 inches long. Next is ang bladder. Your bladder holds pee under your urethra to empty it. It's hollow, made of muscle, and shaped like a triangular balloon. Your bladder expands as it fills up. Most bladders can hold up to 2 cups or 500 milliliters of pee at a time. Peeing is when you empty your bladder. So, ang ating bladder is nag-holds ng ihi hanggang sa mapalabas ito sa ating urethra. Tapos, sa bawat oras. Then, lastly is urethra. This tube carries pee from your bladder out of your body. So, ang ating urethra is ito yung nagpapalabas ng ihi sa ating katawan. Then, you have 2 sphincter muscles that close off your urethra to keep pee and when you aren't using the toilet. These ring-like muscles open and close to lead pee out. Sometimes this muscle weakens and becomes hard to hold your pee. So kapag humina ang ating kalamnan sa ating urethra, is mahihirapan tayong pigilan ng ating ihi na pagpapalabas sa ating What is the importance of urinary system? The urinary tract is important because it filters waste and extra fluid from the bloodstream and removes them from the body. So, ang urinary system is malagay ito sa ating katawan because ito ay filters ng waste and extra fluid from the bloodstream and nagre-remove ng mga dumi sa ating katawan. At ang urinary system rin ay binabalansi ang tubig at minerals sa ating katawan at tinutulungan tayong kontrolin ang presyon ng ating dugo. At tumutulong din ito sa ating red blood cells.
Tunan ba kayo sa ating discussion? So, meron. So, dahil meron kayong natutunan, magkakaroon tayo ng another activity. So, ang ating another activity is, the class will be divided into 3 groups. Each group will make a short slogan about the importance of our urinary system, then write the slogan on Manila paper. So, bibigyan ko kayo ng 5 minuto each group para gumawa ng ating slogan. Okay? Okay.
A few moments later.
Tapos na ba ang lahat? Ipasa ito sa harapan. Ang susunod nating gagawin ay mag-quiz tayo. Ito ang ating quiz, i-copy and answer natin. So, meron kayong 10 minutes para sagutin ang ating 5 katanungan or 5 question natin. But, it is contained for 2 points each. So, copy and answer. After 10 minutes, ipapasa natin yan.
Later.
Tapos na ba mga students? So, dahil tapos na, so meron tayong assignment. Para sa ating assignment, draw a picture showing the bad effects when our urinary system is not healthy. So, gagawa kayo kung ano yung pwedeng mangyari if ang urinary system natin is hindi healthy. So, ipapasa nyo ito sa next nating meet. That's all for today, class. So, goodbye everyone.